Ready to unlock the world of crypto trading in Canada? First, you'll need a Binance account. Head to Binance.com and click on the Sign Up button. Choose to sign up with your email or phone number and create a strong password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Binance requires identity verification for Canadian users. To comply with regulations, prepare a government ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload clear images of your documents. This process can take a few minutes to a few days. Now, let's buy some crypto. Click on the Buy Crypto option. Select your preferred payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, or even a bank transfer. Enter the amount of Canadian dollars you want to spend and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you have crypto, you can start trading. Binance offers a variety of trading options. You can use simple market orders for quick buys and sells, or explore advanced limit orders to set your desired price. Familiarize yourself with candlestick charts and trading indicators for informed decisions. Remember to stay informed about Canadian cryptocurrency regulations and tax implications. Binance provides resources to help you understand these important factors. Happy trading!